So many cars have driven past. I must just look like a massive dickhead. Hey guys, bit different today. I just thought I'd come out and test something out. I haven't actually used it yet, so I thought there was no real better time than today if the wind holds off. So as you know, I've got a drone, so I thought maybe I would test it out with something I bought on Facebook Marketplace. Picked it up for about 400 bucks when they retail for more than 400 bucks. I don't know how much they retail for. The DJI goggles. I actually haven't tested them at all. I don't even know if they work. So yeah, let's have a look now. So let's unbox it first. So, all right. So that's that. It's that piece there. From what I've read as well, is that you pretty much can wear it with glasses, so yeah, it's going to be really interesting to see how we go with that. I believe the battery is actually mounted into this here, so it's actually in the headpiece itself. So let's go like this and clip it in. So it just clicks in straight away. Look at that. My head's too big. Oh, you can adjust it like that. All right, it's nice and easy to do. Quick start guide, here we go. So you adjust them, yep. So it's got like all these all these touch gestures as well. So let's see how we go. Any of these batteries full? That one there's full. Alright. Oh, so they beep like normal DJI shit. Alright. Enhanced flight mode disconnected. Alright. I've probably been spending about so long trying to figure this out. And apparently, if I go in here, if I go retry, and if I press the linking button there, this is so hard. Why is it so hard? I never realised there was like a linking button on the back, because if I go, maybe this is why she sold them, because they're shit. Hey Google, how do you link a Mavic air controller?
Here are some results from the web.
Alright, what do you do? Do it. Gypsy! Me. Oh my god, I've been fussing around for so damn long. I must look like a real plonker right now. Right. Jesus Christ, is that all you have to do? Shut up! What does that do? This is running out of battery. It's so windy. Me, I'm having the worst time of my life. So many cars have driven past. I must just look like a massive dickhead. Whoa, this is weird. Where am I? I'm out this way. Oh, I've got it. I've got it now. It's all in here. Mind you, I look like a massive dickhead. This has been stressful. How do I calibrate the compass? Oh my god, this is stupid as f***. I've been filming for 15 minutes. Oh, hang on, we might actually get somewhere now. Alright, I'm going to start recording. How do I take off? Is that in there? Alright, how do you take off? You fuck. If I go here, go take off. Oh, she's gonna be windy though. Oh, that's f***ing sickening. That is the worst thing ever. Oh man. I don't know if there's any trees or not. Oh. So nice though. It's windy. I got it. Got it. She's very windy. She's not liking it up there, is she? You can hear it. Oh, that, I'm dropping. Oh, this is not fun. Oh my God, it's so windy. Look, there I am. Oh, there's my leg. Oh. Oh. Hey, it's fun though. But, yeah. This is not worth $400. Fuck. Oh well. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, I need to go back. Yeah, there we go. What's the function button do? Don't know what it does. That is wild, man. But there's like all these different functions. So if I go here, oh, no, I don't want to do it just yet. Strong headwind, it's saying. Oh. That is crazy good though. You can just like view everything from up here. That is nice. Oh, she's not liking it. Look at the car. That's so dope. The car's there, but I can hear her struggling. She's, ah. Let's just land. Electronic. What am I landing? Oh, holy shit, that wind. This is dope though. Oh. Not worth it. Never really wasn't worth the $400. But, oh. Feels so sick though. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for this one. So, thanks for watching and peace.